Hello children. Today we are going to do another sound. Are you ready to learn the sound? Shall we start then? Okay, let's start. The sound that we are going to learn today is the sound ah. The sound ah. Ah, 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 ah for apple. The letter S says ah for apple. Can you say ah for apple? So, see the S sound. Ah. The sound is ah, ah, ah for apple. Parents, when you make the S sound, make the short vowel sound like in cat, bad, man, etc. Okay, we use the A sound in lots of words like animal alphabet. Animal alphabet. See this angry ant? Angry ant. Act like an alligator. Can you act like an alligator? Alligator starting with alligator. Angry ant. See the angry ant again. See this angry ant. Angry ant. Angry starting with angry. And angry ant. Okay. Are you ready to do the exercise now? Shall we start the exercise to do? Activity. Show me the pictures that start with a sound. Can anyone tell me the sound, the pictures that are starting with a sound? We have apple, shoe, anchor, alligator, pig, and an ant. So, which pictures are starting with the a sound? So, I would like to take the black pen today. Apple. 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 So, we can match that. Shoe. Shoe. Shoe is starting with a. Is that? No. Shoe is starting with something else. Shoe. So, we don't. The sound a doesn't come from shoe. Shh, shh, shh. It's the sound is shh, shh, shh. Okay. The next one is anchor. 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 Yes. Alligator. Alligator starting with alligator. Yeah. And the third one, the next one is pig. Pig. That's different sound, not a. And. And. So that's, you can match. So children, you can do this exercise. Parents, please help draw on a paper and give them this exercise, so that will help them to learn the a sound. Bye bye children.